Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up into the online banking account of Discover Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a discoverbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Discover Bank, you can see the login option on top right of the screen. You click on login. Here you will see the login form page where you need to provide your user ID and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Discover Bank. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on the link given below, that is register now. For the enrollment in the online banking account of Discover Bank, you need to go through 4 steps, that is enter information, create login, statement settings and verify. Starting from the very first, you need to enter your information, that is you go in for providing your last 4 digits of your account number. Now you go in for providing your date of birth. Then you go in for providing your social security number, SSN or taxpayer ID. Now you go in for providing your mother's maiden name, that is last name only. After you provide all the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to another page, that is create login. Then you fill all the details that has been given. Then you click on continue where you will be redirected to statement settings section. After you provide all the details, then you click on continue and at very last step you will go through verify. There you need to verify all of your details. Then you click on continue where you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Discover Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Discover Bank. Thank you.